of the new era of the project after the first presentation by Alfonso and Pascual in the Glocal camp. So several people have joined the project since then. We've been chatting through Telegram and Riot a lot, and then we had a meeting last week, a couple of weeks ago. No, where was it?
Yeah, last week.
I don't have a sense of time. Okay, last week. Where we were mostly testing this tool, Jitsi. And we also had, one of the conclusions we had was that we wanted this project to have like both two lines of work, one on Digitautonomy, on the database itself, solutions and tools, and the website, etc., and also as the kind of a secondary mission to try ourselves those tools. And that's why Julia started a log, which is in the shared folder. In case you haven't seen it, it's kind of a log of what we are doing and trying and how it goes. So we can experiment with these new tools and slowly make the project more autonomous. Is that okay as a summary?
Yeah. Yes, it's perfect, but it doesn't say where now we are going to head up to.
Yeah, what we're doing today, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we have to decide that. I would suggest that we focus on the other side of the project, which is the database itself and the website, and etc., and how we can organize the work. Now that we are more people, see a bit how can each of us be involved in this or wants to be involved, and just define. We can show you quickly if you want. I can try the screen sharing feature here and show you around the main folder of the project for the ones that joined recently. So we can show you the roadmap and the meeting minutes and all the documents we have. That would be a way to start. So then we can decide how to focus on the next steps. Do you think that's fine, or how do you want to proceed?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to try this. Let's see if it works. I think I can share this screen. Okay, so I think I'm sharing the screen right now.
We see a giant yellow and white microphone.
What are you seeing?
A big Firefox logo.
Sorry?
We just seen the logo with the microphone and the thing that you have on the screen.
Okay, the connection. This is sounding. I don't even understand what you're saying right now. So you're not seeing the screen, right?
No.
Okay. Can anyone else try? Maybe you, Pascual?
Okay.
Can you open the Drive folder and try to share the screen?
Yeah. I'm trying with the screen sharing.
I'll stop sharing. Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
It's strange because you can't seem to share the whole screen. Just like you can select specific applications.
You see my screen?
No.
Not yet. Not yet. We see you.
Well, you should see my screen.
Okay, so that doesn't seem to be working very smoothly. No.
Okay. Well, I don't know.
Okay, then I can just. Okay. And now I'm seeing Julia's screen for some reason.
Yes. Does it work?
Yes, it works for you.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, but it is the Mac.
Pascual, you're using Firefox?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe it's Firefox because Julia's using Chrome, right?
Yes.
Maybe it's a thing with Firefox.
That's a paradox.
Okay, let me try two things at the same time. I'm going to try to log in from Chrome, and then I'm also going to try to leave this chat from this tab and see if the streaming goes on.
Okay, do you want me to keep the screen sharing on or off?
As you like, it's fine. I'm going to try to share it myself. Let's see if it works. One moment. Just a quick test. So now I will be double. Okay, I'm going to leave the room. Let's see what happens.
We are offline, I think.
Still working?
No. The streaming is...
Okay, looks like the streaming is still working.
Yeah.
That's great. And see if we can stop it. Yeah, we can. Okay. Okay, that's great. So if the one that started the streaming leaves, nothing happens. And now I am on Chrome, so I'm going to try to share screen again. See if that works.
Jorge, can you stop the streaming now, or can anybody stop the streaming now?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so it's perfect.
Can you do it?
Yeah. I think all of us can do it. Stop live streaming.
Okay. Yes, I think Jitsi takes a kind of a multi-admin approach. Like everyone in the meeting is kind of an admin, so everyone can kick out others. I can even change your volumes and mute everyone. So I think everyone can do that. And I think now I can share screen. I'm right.
Yeah.
What are you seeing? Are you seeing Drive or?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. So this is just the folder we have for now. We started to organize it a bit in subfolders, but not that much. We have this reference folder we created where documents about the topic can be added. Yuli added all of them until now. And we also have a design folder where we're putting all the mockups for the design of the web platform. It was Pascual mostly working on it. Then we have the meeting minutes where we are writing, some notes from each of the meetings we're having. We have the roadmap, which is this document where I just started adding some of the features we want we imagine for this platform to have. It's loading. Okay. So I don't know. For example, we have this Oh, sorry, this is going really slow right now. Okay. Okay, here we are. So, I mean, we haven't even agreed in if we are going to have version names or anything, but I just added some of them for fun. I think we could have more like a rolling release approach, which is we just keep adding features one by one, and we can just have this list as a way of ordering or prioritizing what we want to do. So, for example, right now we're working on this first phase, which would be like adding some basic texts to a website to explain what the project was about, make some instruction how to use the current spreadsheet, which is this one, where everything, all the tools are right now classified. And then we have other features we've been coming up in previous meetings, like, for example, the fact that we want to move our collaboration in this project to free software. This is kind of a meta task. We want to recreate the database in a web format, which is not based on a spreadsheet, but it's more ready to be used in a website. And we wanted to add like filtering by categories, or a way to search, or filter by tags, etc. And all ideas we have been just writing down. So we can anytime decide when we're going to work next on something and put it like as a next thing. Some of us can work on it. This is actually I did this and I hadn't even shown this to the rest. This row here, this column has automatic formatting. So if you choose the status of each of the tasks or features, it changes color accordingly. And nothing else. So this is another thing that we can keep working on as a record of what we want to work on next. We can decide which features we want to. If it's undecided, we can discuss it and then see how we do it or if we do it at all. Then we also have web contents, which is the document where we are adding these first instructions and introductory texts, everything. So we can directly copy from here to the website. This is a specific document, which maybe we can put in some other folder, like animated GIFs as kind of tutorials for using the database. They will be on the website too.